Hello and welcome to Joys of Data, data analysis for curious people. In my stock analysis series, I discuss stocks by analyzing their data. Okay, let's get going. Today I want to take a look at Spotify, which you probably should know. It's an audio streaming platform. Spot is the ticker symbol. It's a very popular and widely used one. It is run by this man, Daniel Ek, who I think is a fantastic CEO. I think if you own shares in Spotify, you should hold them. I don't necessarily suggest buying them at the moment for reasons I'll show you, but I think that this guy is an Elon Musk type leader, one who wants to challenge and disrupt things and create new paradigms. If you research and read about him, you'll see that he is that kind of leader. So I think this company is in good hands and it's going to go places because of him, but also because it sits in a mega trend, the mega trend being social media platforms over the next 10 years are going to continue to grow. So I think while currently the stock is not in a good situation, both from a technical perspective and a fundamental, which I'll touch on briefly, I do think that this share price is going to turn and it's going to continue to grow. So let's just look at the technicals quickly. So here is all-time share price. We see an overall rise. I have added in two moving averages. This yellow one is a 50 and this pink one is a 10. So the interval is 50 and the intervals is 10. And in technical analysis, when the 50, this orange one, is below the pink, that's always a sign of a sort of bearish market, an upward trend in the price. And then when it crosses over, like you see happening here, that's always a bad sign. And so what will happen is that the share price is probably going to bounce against this 50, probably drop still a little bit more, and then perhaps consolidate before rising again. That would be my perspective, especially into 2023. I think we're going to see the share price well up here. Let's just take a look at the 200. I also added in a 200, and we see the same thing happening here. And a general principle that's been well proven is that if the share price is below the 200, you shouldn't be buying. You should be selling if you can still make a profit, that is, although different people have different perspectives. But I would suggest if you currently hold Spotify, I think hold it, because in the 2030s it's going to be up here. And even if you bought it here, I think the share price is going to continue to drop, but I suspect in the 2023s it's going to be sitting up here. So I think it's in for a good ride, but over the next year I think you're going to see the share price continuing to drop. Its fundamentals are not looking good. There is no current price to earnings ratio. That's always a bad sign. And its basic EPS is in the negative, also a bad sign. Its earning per share, not good. And then lastly, volume. You want a stock with a high volume of over 1 million. It's got a 10-day average volume of over 1 million. That's good. But that could be because people are selling. And actually, if we take a look at the volume down here, you can see high volumes here. And this is people selling. Whereas you see these high volumes here as people buying, which is why the price is rising here. So that over there is exactly what you would expect for the price to rise, and this over here is what you would expect for the price to fall. Okay, so in conclusion, I think Spotify is a fantastic company. Definitely get into it at some point. I think this guy's a great leader, and it definitely is sitting within the mega trends. Currently, I think the share price is going to drop probably down to about here, but it will. My analysis of this company is that it's going to rise and it's going to do great and big things, probably from the 2023s onwards. Okay, have a fantastic day and thanks for watching this video.